Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel VR1. Let me discuss the key answers of social science final exam which was held on 27/3/2024. First main, choose the correct answer. First one, Punjab was merged into the British Empire by Dalhousie. Second one, Teen Maruti Bhavan is in Amsterdam, New Delhi. Third one, the type of soil that occupies largest area in Peninsula Plateau is black soil. Fourth one, the father of Green Revolution in India is option C, Dr. M.A. Swaminathan. Fifth one, the highest peak in South India is option B, Anaimudi. Sixth one, children helpline number is option B, 1098. The Declaration of Human Rights made by UNO was in the year option D, 1948. Eighth one, every year World Consumer Day is celebrated on March 15th. Next, second main, answer the following questions in one sentence each. Each question carries 1 mark. Ninth one, why did Wellesley resign from his post and return to England? Because financial burden on the company is high. 10th one, what was the immediate cause for the First World War? The immediate cause for the First World War is assassination of Austin Prince. 11th one, which organ is known as the Cabinet of UNO? Security Council is known as the Cabinet of UNO. 12th one, what is meant by social stratification? Social stratification which divides the people into upper class and lower class on the basis of caste, income, education and gender, etc. 13th one, why was Child Labour Prohibition and Control Act 1986 enacted? Because to reduce the child labour. 14th one, well irrigation is the important type of irrigation. Why? Well irrigation is most important type because it is cheap and easy to dig wells and do not require superior technology. 15th one, what is fiscal policy? The policy adopted by the government related to its income, expenditure and debit periodically is known as fiscal policy. 16th one, teleshopping has become more popular nowadays. Why? Because the consumer can sit at home and directly buy the goods from the traders using information technology or SMS. 17th one, how is the government trying to increase the literacy in India? The government trying to increase literacy in India, such as increase in Sarva Shiksha Abhiyana, establishment of National Literacy Mission, launching of Sakshara Bharat program, Article 21A, Right to Education Act 2009, special prohibition to women education. Next, 18th question, how is paid work different from unpaid work? Here the paid work is referred as organized works and unpaid works is referred as unorganized works. Therefore, organized works, they have fixed wages, they have leave facilities, they are bounded by rules, they have medical facilities, they need education qualification. Example, police, teacher. Unpaid work, they do not have fixed wages, they do not have leave facilities, they do not are bounded by rules, they don't have medical facilities, they don't need education qualification. For examples, farmers, street vendors. 19th question, how was Junagadh merged into Indian Union? The king of Junagadh wanted to merge his provinces with Pakistan. People came on to streets against the kings. Unable to face the people, the king failed the kingdom. Based on the request made by the Diwan of the provision of Indian government, the army was sent to Junagadh to establish peace. Junagadh was merged into India in 1949. Next, 20th question, the Indian military was base of British administration during the British rule. Justify. Military causes. The condition of Indian soldiers in the British Army was pathetic. The status, salary and opportunities for promotion that British soldiers enjoyed were not given to Indian soldiers. The religious sentiments of the Indian soldiers were distributed when they were forced to cross the oceans to serve on a foreign land. 21st question, Indian agriculture is gamble with the monsoons. How? Climate conditions of the country has a great influence on its economy. The southwest monsoons control the agriculture of India, which is the main occupation of Indians. Failure of rainfall leads to droughts. When the monsoons are heavy, there are floods. They also cause destructions of life and property. 22nd question. It has become inevitable in India to take necessary remedies to prevent the defects in the energy resources. Why? Because all over world, due to use of conventional energy sources like coal, petroleum, natural gas and other fossil fuels, the phenomenon of greenhouse effect and consequent increase in temperature of Earth's atmosphere is being noticed. This is called global warming. Population increase, urbanization, industrialization, etc. has also led to the increase in use of fossil fuels. 23rd question. The migration of rural people to cities can be avoided. How? The migration of rural people to cities can be avoided by to eradicate poverty, to eradicate unemployment and illiteracy, to facilitate education and health, to bring development in agriculture, to provide facilities like irrigation, to provide transportation and market yards. 24th question. How do the post officers help to save the money? The post officers savings bank issue national savings certificate, monthly recurring deposits, postal life insurance, pension payments, money transfer, postal banking. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, follow and subscribe our YouTube channel VR1.